India's first supercomputer.
India's first supercomputer was the Param 8000, which was developed by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing (CDAC) in 1991. It was a 30-node parallel processing system that had a peak speed of 80 million theoretical operations per second (MTOPS). It was used in various scientific and computational research projects.
Longest river in the world.
The Nile River, located in northeastern Africa, is generally considered the longest river in the world, with a length of about 4,132 miles, 6,650 kilometers.
Reset. Take a screenshot. Shut down. Spotify. Discord. Calculator. Largest animal on land in Google.
Searching on Google, largest animal on land.
Search top 5 YouTubers.
Searching on Google, top 5 YouTubers.
Longest river in the world. YouTube. Longest river in the world in YouTube.
Searching on YouTube, longest river in the world.
तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा in YouTube.
Searching on YouTube, Tarak Mehta Ka Oot Chashma.